Hi, so welcome to my channel, NBF3C Math Lover. So here's your textbook foundations or for college mathematics lab. So today I'm going to explain the question number 10 on the page, I believe it's here. I don't know which page anyway. Yeah, this one. On page 193, question 10. It is a quadratic graph. Quadratic relation, right? So let's see. The path of water from fountain can be modeled by a relation of the form y equal ax squared plus k. So as you can see here, here's the line. If you can see the little points, little dots, and only this water. And the first question is, what are the coordinates of the vertex of this parabola? Coordinates and parabola. The vertex is the axis of symmetry, and the x-intercept. So basically are saying like the middle of the graph. The middle of the graph is this one. So if we count it like from origin point 0, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do the number 8. The coordinates of the vertex is 0, 6. Because 0 is the x-intercept, and then the 6 is the only y-intercept. Alright, so here's the points of vertex, also the highest point, so I call it a maximum. The next, determine the approximate value of A. So you can see this graph, it is kind of wide, it is not narrow, so we call it compressed. It is a compressed graph. Compressed graph. It is wide. So must be. So A must smaller than 1, but larger than 0. So might be 0 point something something something. So this one is quite hard for this one. Write an equation to model the parabola. Well, but like I suggest you, the first thing is going to determine the points on this graph. So let's get out our calculator. Alright, so if you go stat, edit, and the first thing is I going to clear all this thing, okay? Alright. So let's determine the point A. I call this point A. So point A is on the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 6 and 4. B. So like point B is here. So 104, negative 4, and then 5. So this one, C, point C, is negative 2, and then on the 5, well, it is not touched the 6, but like it is not only middle, so I will try to guess a number like let's say 5.8. All right. So then it's the vertex. 0, 6. And then point E is the reflect of point C, so it is 2, and then 5.8. And F, which is B, so 4, 5. They just change the x-intercept from negative to positive. And then point G, 6 and 4. Right. So right now our job is to write down all of this information into graphing calculator. So if you get out your calculator, first thing you typed in is point A, -6, and then -4, -2, and then 0, and then 2, 4, 6. I think I'm right. Just checking. Okay, I'm right. Cool. So -6, 4, -4, 5. 5, and then -2, 5.8, and then 6, and then 2 on 5.8, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 4. So let's go to check our, so second y equal, you go to plots, stat plots, so make sure it is working and it is like little dots things. Alright, so it is on, and then make sure that we clear all of our things in this so we are not messing up with others. So let's go to check the graph. See, they're the same. So what we are going to do, because we are going to write an equation of the parabola. So if you go to stat again, and then you press right button to calculate, and then you go to 5, because 5 is quadratic relation, but you cannot press 7 because 7 is curved, is another thing. I don't know, but we are learning the quadratic relations. So we're choosing number 5. So you press enter, you get all of this information. So you don't need to touch anything, just need to go to calculate, enter. They give you the information. So if we, so here's the, what did I touch? Same thing again. Here's the graph. So we write as y equals x squared plus bx plus c. This one is the vertex form. So a equals -0.5595238. So we can round this to -0.06. Sorry, I just missed one of the 0 from this side. Sorry about that. And then B, we got nothing. C, we are 5.980952381. So we can round this to 6. So right now we just need to write down this formula. So we can write y equal -0.06 square, x squared, and a plus 6. Let's see if it's work. Let's check it out. So we keep the plots on, and then we go to check our our graph. So negative 0.06 bracket x squared, and then plus 6. Let's see if it is good. Just put it here. Alright, so here's the explanation of question number 10 on page 193, chapter 4.2. Thanks for watching.